Behind every successful harvest is a fleet of farm machinery, strong, efficient, and designed to meet the needs of modern agriculture. At the heart of farm is the tractor, the true workhorse of the field, whether it's plowing, harrowing, planting, or transporting. Today's tractors are built with powerful engines, advanced hydraulics, and smart control to make every job easier and faster. Next we have the combine harvester, a masterpiece of engineering. In one smooth motion, it reaps, threshes, and separating grain from chaff, saving both time and labor. These machines are essential for large-scale grain production like rice, wheat, and maize. Other key equipment include seed drills, rotavators, balers, sprayers, and transplanters, each one playing a vital role from soil preparation to planting and crop maintenance. Technology is transforming farming. GPS guidance systems, precision farming tools, and automated machinery are reducing waste, increasing productivity, and making farming more sustainable. Modern farm machinery is just about power. It is about precision, efficiency, and innovation. Together, they are shaping the future of agriculture, feeding nations, supporting farmers, and powering progress.